Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another watch band for your Galaxy Watch Ultra. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I wanted to pick up another watch band for your Galaxy Watch Ultra. And I wanted something a little bit different, something not as professional as the stainless steel. Wanted some silicone bands, so I decided to pick up this blue one from a company called Wivzuyt, however you want to pronounce it. But they have different colors. They have the blue, they have what they call Starlight, they have a white one, an orange, and then also a light gray. It's $9.99. It says that it is a rugged band compatible with the Galaxy Watch Ultra. So it's a sports band. I just wanted to try it out. This band is like if you're going hiking somewhere, riding a bike, maybe working out, you can definitely pick up this band and use it and not have the professional one on while you're doing workouts or something like that. That way you're not scratching up or messing up the stainless steel. And it just gives you options. You know, I just wanted to try this one out. We'll see how good it is. But here's the packaging. Definitely silicone. You know, it feels good. Hopefully no one's allergic to silicone. I don't know if they will be. But here it is. It's pretty simple. I like the blue color. You know, it should look pretty good with the watch too. But let me take off the professional band. And then it should just clasp right back on there. Like that. Like that. The one thing I noticed with this band is that it's not the biggest one. Because, look, I'm on the number 2. If you have a bigger wrist, then you may not want to pick this up. It may not be big enough. But I do have just enough room to, and it fits just like that. It doesn't look bad, though. And it feels pretty comfortable, too, on your wrist. So if you're hiking, like I said, riding a bike, or working out, maybe bowling, you know, if you bowl, like myself, it may be something that you can use and you don't have to worry about your stainless steel pulling your hair or just getting messed up while you're doing an activity. This is more like a sports band. Let's go do some hiking or some working out or something, or working in the woods or anywhere you're doing. And then you can throw the rinky cover on there too, case. And that actually looks pretty good. That's a good combo. Bam. Bam. And then the clasp, it's not too hard to get on. But yeah, if you have a bigger wrist, you may have a problem. You may want to pick up a different size or keep on looking on Amazon. I do have more watch bands coming in. But this is just a silicone rugged sports watch band. And for $9, why not? Or $10 with tax and stuff. Why not try it out and see? And that's how it looks. So if you want to pick this up, I will have the links in the description. You can definitely pick it up from Amazon and give it a try. The great thing about Amazon, if you don't like it for whatever reason, you can go ahead and return it. But if you do, then you have just a nice little sports silicone band that you can use. You know, you can use it every day, or you can have it for certain activities or certain times of the day. Like I said, we're going to try to keep it professional during work time, and then maybe this when I'm working out or bowling or doing whatever. So again, if you want to pick it up, you can definitely do so. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Watch Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.